Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. This is Morris from the best online tutorials here. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to design a t-shirt in Canva. So guys, you want to make something like this. You want to, get a t-shirt that looks this good for yourself or for whatever brand you're working for. It's quite easy to get this done. All you need to do is just open up a design. You could simply open a new tab and sign up to Canva and then head into a blank page. So let's just go ahead and duplicate this page by creating an additional page here, a blank one, and moving over to this. All right, so on our blank page, how can we go about designing a t-shirt? All you need to do is head over to the Elements Hub. So the Elements Hub is just below templates, and let's go ahead and clear out this. And now let's simply search for a t-shirt. So you could either search for t-shirt mockups or t-shirt themselves. And then in the graphics for t-shirts, just head over to see all. And now you're going to be met with a list of t-shirts you can use for your design. I went with black in our intro, so I can go with white for this, or I can go with red. All right, so let's go with white, but please take note that some of these t-shirt graphics or designs or pictures are not free. You're going to need Canva Premium to get them. So please filter for the free ones. You can use the filter for the free ones if you head into, I believe, price and click on free. It will just bring out all the free designs. All right, so the next thing you're going to need to do is on the elements, depending on what you want to attach your image, you can just easily search for funky designs. And then when you search for this, these are the things I got for those kind of designs. So let's just go with this pattern here, this star pattern. So I'm just going to go ahead and place it in the center. You can enlarge it. You can simply enlarge it so it fits all across the shirt. And then you can simply have these other stars. You could set them up in different locations to simply give it a good feel, maybe somewhere around here. Then you can keep on adjusting the size till you get the dimensions you want. And now we have something that looks like this, a really cool shirt design. Then you can head into the colors and simply play around with the colors for your shirt. Let's put it on gold, and then we can now simply change the color of your shirt here by clicking on edit. And once you've selected edit, just head into where we have effects and then move over to dual tone. And then once you're on dual tone, you can use custom or their presets. So their presets will help you change the color of your shirt design. All right, so I went with sea blue. You can clearly see how good the design looks for the shirts. You can duplicate this and put it on the other side. So it's just like this. All right, guys. So comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.